Hello everyone, my name is Rutuja Patel and I am here to discuss about moment of truth. So what exactly moment of truth is? It is usually defined as an instance wherein the customer and the organization come together into a contact with one another in such a manner that it gives opportunity to customer to make or to change the impression about the firm. Such an interaction could occur through the product of the firm, its service offering, or both. Various instances could constitute the moment of truth, such as greeting the customers, handling customer queries or complaints, promoting special offers and giving them discounts, and last, the closing of the interaction. So let's begin with the new topic, importance of moment of truth. So why it is important? Because in today's increasingly service driven market and with the proliferation of multiple providers for each and every product or services, moment of truth have become important fact of a customer interaction that every marketer should keep in mind. They are as critical as they determine customer perception of or reaction to a brand. This is more so in the case of service providers since they are selling intangibles by creating customer expectations. Services are differentiated in the minds of customers by promising what is to come. Managing expectations constitute a critical component of creating favorable moment of truth, which in turn are critical for business successes. So our next topic is different types of moment of truth. So as we know, everything has a good side and a bad side. So moment of truth has a good side which is known as moment of magic and a bad side is known as moment of misery. So what is moment of magic? Favorable moment of truth is also termed as moment of magic. These are the instances where the customer is served in such a manner that exceeds their expectations. For example, if we go in a coffee shop and we are given a discount and we are given a coupon of or a voucher for a particular product of in the coffee, we lead to we get an expectation, higher expectation. For example, we get happy or exceed our expectations level by getting timely and consistent service when we go in a hotel. So next is moment of misery. These are the instances where the customer is highly dissatisfied by the service provided. The outcome is negative. For example, we go in a hotel and the food get delayed or the manager behave rudely with us can lead to dissatisfaction of the customer. So here I conclude that moment of truth can make or break the organization's relationship with the customers. However, mistakes cannot be avoided totally in the services. But such a mistake can be handled and can go in a long way from converting misery into moment of magic and creating a lasting impact on the customers.